these cars really, because these were the aspirational cars when my generation were coming up, 70s, 80s, 90s.
So what brought us to the show is it's his first time coming, and I used to come here a lot before he was born, but I wanted to show him all the cool cars. And this one, the R34 Skyline, his name is actually Brian, named after Brian O'Connor in Fast and Furious.
Tradition with my son. He can bring a friend if he wants. We come every year to the LA Auto Show.
I like cars, and my brother likes cars, and my uncle likes cars, and all my family likes cars, so I'm interested in cars.
Well, this is my first time here, and I love cars in general, so I would just want to see all kinds of vehicles from different brands.
Bring people to the show. It's just like the cool cars, sports cars. This is like the only place in LA, like once a year, you could just see really cool cars.
Body kit, tires, the rims, the wings, I love it all.